Welcome on board the Scout 530 LXF. This particular boat we ordered with Quint Mercury 450R racing motors, giving this boat a performance of 65 miles an hour plus. This boat was ordered with the gray S-Tech flooring, gives it a nice look. It matches very well with the Grigio interior color. Scout builds their boats with a full walkthrough here in the transom. We have dual transom entry doors, and as well as the twin beach doors. When opened, we have an 18-foot beam. Our beach platform controls here, and our shore power reel. Let's come here to the entertainment section. Here we have our wet bar, sink, our ice maker, and a nice barbecue grill here. As well, a neat feature, we have our bar stools. We have a nice refrigerator here. We have fresh water, hot and cold water. We have our 110 outlets here. This boat comes standard with 2 live well systems and is equipped with dual fish boxes. We can accommodate 10 people comfortably in this cockpit space here. Right here we have full storage under here. Here's our panels, battery switches. This boat comes equipped with the Mercury Skyhook joystick, autopilot, Skyhook, our digital throttle, our side vent windows. Here we have our nice big chart here and the unique C-zone system. All our pumps here, our lights, accessories. On the passenger side of the boat, we have our Seakeeper control here. We have our VHF speaker. We have our ice maker control here. We have a dual Garmin 24-inch screen, so your passenger has a screen right in front of them. You notice the details, we have white onyx here, a hydraulic table here that turns this into a bed. You have a full control here, GPS, that you can control all the systems within the boat. This boat came equipped with a nice wine cooler, microwave, 25-inch Grigio television here, as well as in our cabin. You want to take a peek in there. 2 will sleep comfortably in there. Here's the master bedroom, again with a white onyx detail. It's a true 2 separate bathroom. Here's your head, and here's your shower. The 530 LXF comes with a nice option, which is our electric sunroof. We have a nice triple seating arrangement, great to relax in the sun. Thank you for joining us on a tour on this beautiful Scout 530 LXF. Please visit us at www.MarineMaxMiami.com. Hope to see you soon.